Hello students, let us see here the last topic of the indefinite integration. Then we will start definite integration. What is the last topic here? Nth integration, also called as reduction formula. So reduction method also we call the nth root integration. So here you have to find integration of tan power nx dx. What is the integration of this? Why we use this one? Simple thing. When you have I1, I write as integration of tan x dx. This is called as I1. Okay. When you have I2, I can write as tan square x dx. When you have I3, we can write as tan cube x dx. When you have I4, we write as tan power 4x dx. Like that. Likewise, if I write In minus 1, then I can write as integration of tan power n minus 1 x dx. If I have In, then I can write as integration of tan power n x dx. So why we use this method is, if I want to know integration of tan power 6x. So that is very, means you have to do many steps. You have to make tan square x into tan square, like that formulas. You have to make it to break the part, and you have to do many times. That integration makes it difficult. So what we use here, generally we find for nth root, nth integration, then we will substitute. If you want 4, we will substitute n plus 4. If you want 6, we will substitute n plus 6, like that. So by that, for that way, we are going to find nth root integration. Now this nth root integration problems, I am going to teach you. Then remain whatever the three problems I will teach you. Remain things, I will WhatsApp you all that with steps, each and every step I will WhatsApp you. Then this topic is going to end today. Okay. So tomorrow we will start definite integration. Understood? Now let us see how to find this one. Integration of tan x you know, right? Integration of tan square x also you know, I think. So tan cube x if you want to find, these are the things if you want to find, it's make difficult. So we are using this method. So how to find this integration of this one is, this is I will write as In is equal to integration of tan x to the power of n dx. This is that. So to integrate this one, we write as In is equal to integration of this, I write as tan power n minus 2x into tan square x dx. I can write like this. Why I wrote as tan power n minus 2 into tan square x? Why I wrote tan power n as in this format is, the reason is, if I take tan x t, then the differentiation of tan x is what? Sec square x. I should get sec square x. If I want to get that one, I have to make in square. Sec square x means square I should come. Square should get. So this n I wrote as tan power n minus 2 into tan square x. I should not take tan power n minus 1 into tan x. I should not take that. I have to get square, because tan x if I take t, whatever function is there, I have to take t finally. So if I take t, I will get sec square x. So I have to get in the power 2. So this I write as tan power n minus 2x into tan square x dx. Now what I do here, I take tan x is equal to t. So if I take tan x is equal to t, what I get here? This tan square x can be written as what? Tan 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Sec square x. Sec square x is nothing but what? Sec square x is nothing but 1 plus tan square x. Correct. So I can write tan square x is what? Tan square x I can write as tan square x is nothing but sec square x minus 1. So that is what I do it. Now In is equal to this, I can write as integration of tan power n minus 2x into this tan square x I can write as sec square x minus 1 into dx. Now I multiply inside. If I multiply, In is equal to integration of tan power n integration of, I multiply this one here. So tan power n minus 2x dx I will get. What I did here, simple, I tan power nx is there, that I wrote tan power n minus 2x into tan square x, and this tan square x I wrote as x square x minus 1 into dx, and I multiplied here minus and tan power n minus 2x into 1, that is your God. Now simple thing, I just multiplied here, I separated integration. As I told you there you can see that if I have in minus 1, then I get integration of tan power n minus 1x dx. So if I want tan power n minus 2x dx again what I have to do? Tan power n minus 4x dx into tan square x, I have to write this. So that way we cannot do that. Now what I can write this here, in minus 2 I can write. This is in minus 1 is this one, then in minus 2 will be that only. So what I can replace this one is in minus 2, and I can take here tan x is equal to t, then the problem is solved. So first what I am going to do now here, I am going to do, here I am going to take tan x is equal to t. I will take tan x is equal to t. If I take tan x is equal to t, what is the differentiation of tan x? That is x square x. Sec square x dx is equal to dt. Correct. So this question is becoming in is equal to integration of, this is what I can write as t power n minus 2 into this sec square x dx can be written as dt minus, and this I can write as what? In minus 2. So that you send this side, what I get here, in plus in minus 2 is equal to integration of this one is become t power n minus 2 plus 1 upon n minus 2 plus 1. That is what I am going to get here. In plus in minus 2 is equal to, this I get as t power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 plus c. What is t? Consider tan x. So in plus in minus 2 is equal to, I can write as tan power n minus 1 upon n minus 1 plus c. According to the options we will solve further, but this is the right approach we can do. This is the way we can solve nth integration of tan power nx.